Hi, I'm Duncan, and in this video I'm going to take you through Hedgebook's Cashflow Forecast instrument. The Cashflow Forecast instrument enables you to quickly import cashflow forecasts into Hedgebook's exposure tool for hedge position analysis and stress testing. In our experience, many companies are using spreadsheet-based models to estimate their foreign currency cashflow forecasts, so we have made it really easy to copy the pertinent data from the spreadsheet and paste it straight into Hedgebook's Cashflow Forecast instrument. There are 4 possible columns of data which you might use: the date the cash flow is expected to be received or paid, the direction of the cash flow, i.e. whether it is a payable or receivable, the amount in foreign currency terms, and a comment. As a minimum requirement, Hedgebook needs to know the date and the amount. If only date and amount are supplied, Hedgebook will imply the direction from the initial settings row. Any negative numbers will be inverted in terms of direction. Once you're happy the information is correct, add a reference and save. If you need to edit the data, then simply use the same mechanism to edit as with any deal captured in the system. If you need to add another forecast, simply do so by adding a new cashflow forecast, or copy an existing one and edit. If you have foreign currency exposures in both directions, pay and receive, these can be entered on either a net or a gross basis. Most often we see cash flows being entered on a net basis, which means if there are any offsetting foreign currency cash flows, these are already deducted before entering the resulting net amounts. Hedgebook can also accommodate forecasts on a gross basis. Simply enter a cash flow forecast to capture the pay or receive cash flows, and another cash flow forecast to capture the cash flows flowing in the opposite direction, as I have done in this example. The exposure tool enables the user to select which cash flows to include in the hedging position. Let's take a closer look at the exposure tool now. The exposure tool looks for cash flows in non-base or counter-currency terms, euros in this example. Here we can see our 2 cash flow forecasts. On first launching the exposure tool, both forecasts are enabled, but the user can select what forecasts to include. The details of the numbers are displayed in their own table, and as with all the charts and tables within the exposure tool, the user can decide what to display and in what order. A temporary cash flow forecast can also be quickly added if you want to scenario test an alternative one. Hedgebook will calculate the hedging position, hedged rate, currency impact, and all the other metrics based on the cash flow forecast selected. You can also flex the existing forecast up or down by a percentage movement. Great for the what-if planning and conversations. Whether you are a company managing its FX risks or a bank, broker or advisor supporting those companies, Hedgebook's Cashflow Forecast instrument helps bring clarity to understanding and analysing the impact of FX rates on the exposure. We know forecasting can be challenging, but accessing easy-to-use tools such as Hedgebook reduces uncertainty and supports informed decision-making.